Welcome to Venice, the floating city of dreams. A place where history, romance, and breathtaking beauty come together in the heart of Italy. Imagine yourself drifting along the Grand Canal, the sound of water gently lapping against centuries-old palaces. In Venice, every turn is a postcard-perfect moment. No visit is complete without stepping into the grandeur of St. Mark's Square. Here, you'll find the magnificent Basilica di San Marco, the towering Campanile, and the Doge's Palace, all whispering tales of Venice's glorious past. Summer in Venice means long, lazy afternoons at charming cafes, where you can sip on an Aperol Spritz, taste fresh sacchetti, and soak in the lively atmosphere of this one-of-a-kind city. As the sun sets, the Rialto Bridge glows in golden hues. A perfect spot to watch Venice transform into a magical dreamland, with twinkling reflections dancing on the water. But beyond the crowds, Venice has its hidden gems, quiet canals, secret alleys, and charming bridges waiting to be discovered. Just take a stroll, and let the city surprise you. Venice is more than just a destination, it's an experience, a feeling, a timeless escape. So if you're planning your summer holiday, make sure Venice is on your list. Because this is a city that stays in your heart forever. Another unmissable landmark is the Rialto Bridge, the oldest and most iconic bridge in Venice. It's the perfect spot for a classic Venetian photo, with gondolas drifting below and lively markets nearby selling everything from fresh seafood to handcrafted souvenirs. Speaking of markets, if you love food, don't miss the Rialto Market. Here, you'll find the freshest seafood, colorful fruits, and the best local ingredients used in Venetian cuisine.